So we're back with a brand new product to talk about today. This time we're checking out Displate again. This time we're checking out a small poster, but this is their newest poster in regards to the Textra stylized additional embossing on it. It gives it like a forced perspective feel. Let's open it up and check out what comes inside. Okay. So right off the bat, I decided it'd be a good idea to get another D&D themed one. You can see here, roll for initiative. Doesn't that look awesome? Can you see the raised technique of how they did the wording to give it that extra feel? It looks really cool. Let's open this up. Ooh, they actually gave 3 magnets and 3 wall sticks, which is really nice. A self-cleaning wipe. And of course, as always, a really cool guide for how to basically set this up. Clean the wall, dry it in 10 minutes, apply the protective leaf, apply the magnet, and mount your poster. So let's open this up. So the Textra, you can see specifically, this is Textra. Because they actually have it written right here. Design number, and then it has Textra next to it. So you can make sure you get that Textra specific ones. But yeah. Look at that, and look at the raised technique. Look how amazing that is. I love that D20. This is super awesome. Of course, Dungeons and Dragons on the bottom. You got your roll for initiative, your D20. It really gives it a more three-dimensional feel with that raised text. You can almost see it with the shine. But let's take this, let's mount it, and show you what it looks like in place. Be right back. Well, hopefully that was enough to make you want to pick one up for yourself, and hopefully it looks as good in your house as it does in ours. We'll see you guys next time.